Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. The Equinox delivers advanced safety features, family-friendly passenger comfort, technology that keeps you connected and entertained, ample cargo space, and sculpted styling. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Why settle for a vehicle that's merely functional when you can have style as well? Get into the Equinox and go places.